there, it's Annie Lou. I have the Target box for August. So let's take a peek. I have seen others do their unboxing and I know what is in here is just wonderful. And what's nice about this box is the price. It's like, I want to say $7 or $7.50, and you do have to go to the website the beginning of the month to subscribe. It's not an automatic subscription. So it says, hello, summer stunner. So you get a $3 off coupon to use at Target. And let's see what's in the box. Now right off is the Intuition Fab razor, and I am ready for a new razor, so this came just in time. Next thing are simple cleansing wipes. So beach season is coming to an end pretty soon, but I like to have these in my beach bag. Next thing is, oh, I have some of this. I don't know if it's this one. Not Your Mother's Beach Babe Soft Wave Sea Salt Spray. I like this. And body lotion coconut. I am not a big coconut. No, it is pure coconut. I just don't like the scent. I love coconut candy. I love Mounds bars, Almond Joys. I like macaroons. But I don't know why. I just don't like the scent in a cream. I don't get it. Brilliantly Brightening Day Cream by Acure. I think this might be a brand that Target carries. So let's see. It has no SPF in it, so you know that it is good for nighttime use. And it has a nice seal on it that I am having. Here I go. Let's smell at this. Actually, it has no smell. And the last thing in here is a 2-in-1 cleanser exfoliator with bamboo buffers. That's a tongue twister. Bamboo buffers. Okay. Oil free. Oh, it smells nice and fresh. So that's nice. I like these little sizes. So the summer is leaving us, fall is coming. And I tend to go away a little bit more in the fall because you can't go to the beach. It's too chilly. So I tend to go away on weekends and go to scrapbook weekends with my girlfriends. So I'm sure if you watch some of my craft videos, you will see that I am at times away with my girlfriends. Well, thank you for joining me. I really, really like this box. So I suggest you keep track of the Target availability. So thank you for joining me, and I will see you again. Well, I won't see you. You'll see me, hopefully. Please subscribe to my channel. I would appreciate that. So you take care, and I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.